Happy Thanksgiving, Danny. Uh-oh, did you run out of... Did you? Oh, you have more. Good one. Danny, what do you think about our new van? Oh, you like it? I thought you were going to say something else.